Dear children, we will continue with the numericals. Page number 8.23 in your textbook. Example number 27. Let me read out the question for you. If the saving function of an economy is given as S is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2y, which means S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into y, and investment is 100 crores. So the basic information given here is S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into y equation, which is minus 500 plus 0.2 into y, and investment is given as 100 crores. You are asked to find out, then determine the level of income when saving becomes zero. What is the level of income when saving becomes zero? So you are asked to find out what is y when S is equal to 0. Determine the level of income when saving becomes 0 and the level of income when saving is equal to investment. So you have to find out the income level at 2 points. The first point is the income level when saving is 0 and the income level when saving is equal to investment. So we may write both. What is y when saving is equal to investment? So these are the two things you have to find out. So let us find out the first one. What is y when S is equal to 0? We can find that. Now how will you find out y when S is equal to 0? Take the equation S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into y. You can find out y when S is equal to 0. So for that, what you have to do, take the equation S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into y, that is S is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2 into y. So when S is equal to 0, what is y? So give the value of S as 0. Therefore 0 is equal to 500 minus 500 plus 0.2 into y. So how can you write that 0 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2 into y, which can be written as 0.2y is equal to 500. 0.2y is equal to 500. 0 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2y, which can be written as 0.2y. Keep 0.2y here itself. Take 500 to this side. Therefore, it becomes plus 500. That is why this minus is gone. So 0.2y is equal to, when you take 500 to the other side, it becomes plus 500. So 0.2y is equal to 500. I hope it is clear to you. 0 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2y. This can be written as 0 plus 500 is equal to 0.2y. That means 0.2y is equal to 500. So from here you can find out y. Therefore y is equal to 500 divided by 0.2, which gives you the answer as 2500. So the answer is 2500. So this is the equation. From this equation we found the y, value of y. S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into y. So give the value of S as 0, because you need to find out the value of y when S is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2 into y. So therefore 0 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2 into y can be written as 0.2y is equal to 500 because we have taken 500 to the side. Therefore, 500 is equal to 0.2y, which means 0.2y is equal to 500. So, from that we can find the value of y. Y is equal to 500 divided by 0.2, which gives the value as 2500. Now, the next task is to find out what is the value of y when s is equal to I. When s is equal to I. So, you have to find out the value of y when s is equal to I. So, you have to definitely know the value of I. So, substitute value of I for s. So, what is the value of I here in your question? Just check what is the value of I in your question. Value of I is given as 100 crores. So, you can write here giving the value of I for s. So, what is the value of I? Value of I is equal to 100. So, how will you write the equation again? Therefore, the equation becomes, instead of s you can write 100 is equal to, what is minus c bar plus 1 minus b into y? You know 100 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2 into y. Now, this 500 can be taken to the side, therefore, it becomes 100 plus 500, that is 600. That means 100 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2y. Therefore, minus 500 can be taken to the side, it becomes plus 500. So, 600 is equal to 0.2y. That means 0.2y is equal to 600. So, therefore, y is equal to 600 divided by 0.2 will give you the answer as 3000. This is how you find out. So, if you give the value of I for s, because you have to find out the value of y when s is equal to I, therefore, give the value of I for s. So, in the equation of s, the value of s should be 100. So, 100 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2 into y. That equation itself you have to use, because in that equation only the presence of y is there. Therefore, that equation, the same equation you have to use. So, 100 is equal to minus 500 plus 0.2 into y, which becomes 600 is equal to 0.2y, where y is equal to 600 by 0.2, which gives you the value of 3000. So, when s is equal to 0 and when s is equal to 100, what are the values of y? That is what we have found. So, when s is equal to 0, the value of y is 2500, and when s is equal to 100, the value of y is 3000. So, these are the two things that you have to find out. Now, hope it is clear to you, and now we will move on to the next problem, that is example number 28 in your textbook. Example number 28. Now, let us read out the question. The equilibrium level of income in an economy is 5000 crores. Equilibrium level of income means what? Y is equal to C plus I. It is already given, that is 5000 crores. C bar is 250 crores. Autonomous consumption is given as 250 crores and investment expenditure is given as 1000 crores. Investment expenditure is 1000 crores. So, these are the information given for you. The first one is equilibrium level of income, that is 5000 crores. Then C bar is given as 250 crores and investment expenditure is given as 1000 crores. You are asked to find out one by one consumption expenditure at equilibrium level of income. Consumption expenditure at equilibrium level of income means what? What is equilibrium level of income? At equilibrium level of income, you know y is equal to C plus I. So, you have to find out consumption expenditure at equilibrium level of income. So, how will you find out consumption expenditure at equilibrium level of income? You know y is equal to C plus I. So, how will you find out consumption? C is equal to y minus I. Here we do not have the equation C is equal to C bar plus by. So, this is the only way to find out C. What is the only way to find out C? Y is equal to C plus I. Therefore, from that equation you have to take C is equal to Y minus I. Now, what is the next you have to find out? Calculate MPS, marginal propensity to save. Then derive the saving function. Saving function equation you have to derive. What is the saving function equation? S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into Y. Then you have to find out investment multiplier. Then finally break-even level of income. So one by one we will find out all the values. So the first one we have to find out is calculate consumption expenditure at equilibrium level of income. So at equilibrium level of income, you know Y is equal to C plus I. So you may write at equilibrium level of income. Instead of writing AD is equal to AS, we have derived an equation from that. Y is equal to C plus I. So from this equation you can find out C. C is equal to Y minus I. So what is the value of C? C is equal to, value of Y is already given here, that is 5,000 crores, and investment expenditure is also given as 1,000 crores. Therefore C is equal to 5,000 minus 1,000. The value is 4,000. So consumption expenditure is 4,000 crores. Now we will move on to the next. We have to find out the next one. We have to find out what is the next one. We have to find out value of MPS. You have to find out the value of MPS. Value of MPS you have to find out. How will you find out the value of MPS? To find out the value of MPS, it is you will get it only from the equation, right? From which equation you will get the value of MPS? S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into Y. This is MPS. Now let us see whether you can derive this, you can find out S here, MPS here with the saving function. The other way to find out MPS is C is equal to C bar plus BY. If you know this B, that is MPC. It is easy to find out MPS. How? 1 minus B is MPS. So let us see which all way we can find out MPS. Now next is to find out MPS. How can you find out MPS? To find out MPS, let us see which equation we have to take. Saving function is not possible to take because we need to find out the saving function. That means consumption function is given indirectly. Let us see whether the consumption function is given. What is the consumption function? C is equal to C bar plus BY. C is equal to C bar plus BY. Let us see whether the information is given here. C bar plus BY. So anyway, to find out MPS, it is better to use saving function. We cannot use a saving function here because we have to find out the saving function. So it is better to see whether we can take consumption function and find out MPC. From that MPC we can find out MPS. Okay, so to find MPS, use the equation C is equal to C bar plus BY from the given values. Okay, let us see whether it is there. Okay, now C is equal to C bar plus BY. Do we have the value of C? Yes, because we found the value of C with C is equal to Y minus I. C is equal to Y minus I. C is equal to Y minus I. See, C is equal to Y minus I. What is the value of C? 4,000. So we can use C as 4,000 is equal to. Do we have the value of C bar? Yes, definitely we have the value of C bar. It is 250 crores. Yes, so we can write C is equal to C bar 250 plus. Do we have B? We don't have B. See whether MPC is given here. MPC is not given here. Only the value of investment expenditure is given here again, isn't it? So we will write it as B itself. B into, what is the value of Y? Let us see whether the value of y is given. Yes, definitely the value of y is given as 5,000 crores. Yes, so we will write it as 5,000. This is how you have to write. So 4,000 is equal to 250 plus b into 250 plus b into 4,000 is equal to 250 plus b into 5,000. Okay. Now, this can be written as 4,000 plus 250 plus 5,000 4,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 250 plus 5,000 b, which can be rewritten as 5,000 b is equal to 3,750. That is 5,000 b is equal to, this 250 can be taken this side to the other side of the equal side. So 4,000 minus 250 will give you the answer as 3,750. So 5,000 b is kept here itself, 250 you are taking to this side, therefore plus 250 becomes minus 250. So 4,000 minus 250 will give you as 3,750, which can be written as, which is 3,750 is equal to 5,000 b, which can be written as 5,000 b is equal to 3,750. I hope it is clear to you. 4,000 is equal to 250 plus b into 5,000. We have written it as 4,000 is equal to 250 plus 5,000 b. To find out 5,000 b, this 250 is taken this side, therefore it becomes minus. So 4,000 minus 250 is equal to 5,000 b. What is 4,000 minus 250? 3,750. 3,750 is equal to 5,000 b, which can be written as 5,000 b is equal to 3,750. So from this you can find out b. So 5,000 b is equal to, so what is the value of b here? Therefore the value of b is equal to 3,750 divided by 5,000. This into 5,000 into b becomes division when it is taken to the other side of the equal side. So that is 3,750 divided by 5,000 will give you the answer as 0.75. Now you know if MPC is 0.75, MPC you got it as 0.75. If MPC is 0.75, without any calculation you can find out MPS, right? What is MPS? MPS is equal to 1 minus 0.75, or the rest of 0.75 will be used for MPS. So definitely the answer is 0.25. So you got the value of MPS. So you are asked to find out MPS. MPS also be found. So MPS, the value of MPS is equal to 0.25. So the value of C is equal to 4,000. The value of MPS is equal to 0.25. Now what is the next thing you are asked to find out? Saving function you have to find out. Saving function. Saving function. How will you find out saving function? Saving function. How will you find out saving function? Saving function equation. Saving function equation only you are asked to find out. What is saving function equation? Saving function equation. How will you find out saving function equation? S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B into Y. What is minus C bar? What is C bar actually? The C bar given in your problem? Yes, 250 crores. So write it as minus C bar. What is minus C bar? Minus 250 plus, what is 1 minus B? 1 minus B is MPS. MPC is B, that is 0.75. What is 1 minus MPC? 1 minus 0.75. Just now we found MPS. that is 0.25 into y. What is y given in your problem? The value of y is 5,000 crores. We need not write the value of y because you are asked to write the saving function equation. Even if you write the value of y, it's not wrong. Minus 250 plus 0.25 into 5,000. As it is asked to write in the form of a saving function, you can write it as this way itself. Minus 250 plus 0.25 y. Okay, where the value of y is already given. Now, what is the next thing that you have to find out? The next value that you have to find out is investment multiplier. How will you find out investment multiplier? There are different methods to find out investment multiplier. What is investment multiplier? We can write down the formula of investment multiplier, that is K is equal to delta y by delta I. K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. K is equal to 1 by MPS. Any one we can use here. Here let us use MPS. K is equal to 1 by MPS. We can also use 1 by 1 minus MPC. 1 by MPS. What is 1 by MPS? What is the value of MPS? You know the value of MPS, right? The value of MPS is 0.25. So, you can write it as 1 by 0.25. The answer is 4. Okay, so that is also solved. So, you got the value of C, then you got the value of MPS, then you found the saving equation, saving function, then you found the value of multiplier, and finally you have to find out break-even level of income. Break-even level of income. Let us find out break-even level of income. Now, at break-even level of income, at break-even point, y is always equal to C. So, you may write at break-even point, y is equal to C. At break-even point, y is equal to C. Now, putting this equation, y is equal to C in the consumption function, we get, okay, putting y is equal to C, you are asked to find out break-even level of income. Break-even level of income is a point where y is equal to C. Whatever is being earned, it is consumed. So, y is equal to C. This is a break-even point, no saving. Whatever is being earned, it is consumed. So, y is equal to C. So, you have to find out the break-even level of income. So, what you have to do? We have got a consumption equation. What is that consumption equation? C is equal to C bar plus by. So, you know at break-even y is equal to C. Therefore, instead of this C, use y in the equation. That is what I have written here. Putting y is equal to C in the consumption function, we get instead of C is equal to C bar, it becomes y is equal to C bar plus by. So, once again I repeat, at break-even level of income, y is equal to C. That means whatever is being earned, it is consumed. Whatever you are earning, nothing is saved, you are consuming it. Therefore, y is equal to C. So, you are asked to find out break-even level of income. To find out break-even level of income, you have to use the equation C is equal to C bar plus by, because in that equation only you have y. Okay, so instead of C, just substitute C for y. That because at break-even level of income, y is equal to C. Therefore, our equation C is equal to C bar becomes y is equal to C bar plus by. So, substitute the values, you will get the answer. y is equal to c bar plus by. So y is equal to, what is c bar plus by? C bar plus by is equal to 250. 250 is c bar, right? C bar is 250. C bar plus, you know what is the value of b? The value of b is 0.75. Because if MPS is 0.25, I told you MPC will be 0.75 into y. The value of y, you have to find out the value of y, 0.75 y, isn't it? Okay, now y is equal to, so here y means 1y. 1y minus 0.75y is equal to 250. Now 1 minus 0.75, you know it is 0.25. 0.25y is equal to 250. Now the value of y therefore is equal to, find out the value of y. 0.25 is equal to 250. Therefore, y is equal to 250 divided by 0.25. The answer becomes 1000. So, y is equal to 1000 crores. So, we can say at the break-even point or the break-even level of income is 1000 crores. Okay, this is how we find out. Here 1y is equal to 250 plus 0.75y. We have to write the equation like that, and from this you have to find out the value of y. 1y, y means 1y minus, taken to the side, 0.75 y is equal to 250. So 1 minus 0.75, you know it is 0.25. 0.25 y is equal to 250. So y is equal to 250 by 0.25 gives you 1000 crores. Hope it is clear to you. And now we will move on to the next problem, example number 31 in your textbook, and that is page number 8.26. 8.26. Now the question is, find out national income. That means you have to find out y. What is the information given here? C bar is given, MPC is given, and investment is also given. If these three values are given, which is the equation that you can use? Y is equal to C plus I. We use y is equal to C plus I. Okay. Now y is equal to, what is C? You know what is C? C is equal to C bar plus by. C bar plus by plus I. Okay. So y is equal to C bar. C bar is equal to, y is equal to C bar plus by plus I. So it becomes C bar is equal, putting the values of C bar, that is C bar is equal to 100 plus 0.8 y, B is 0.8 y plus I is equal to 50. So 100 plus 0.8 y plus 50. Now how will you write this? Y is equal to 0.8 y plus 150. 150 both can be added, isn't it? So y is equal to 0.8 y plus 150. Here y means what? 1y. So 1y minus 0.8 y is equal to 150. And you know what is 1 minus 0.8? It is definitely 0.2 y is equal to 150. Okay, now how will you find out y? Y is equal to 150 divided by 0.2, which gives you the answer as 7. So this is how you find out. So if the value of C bar, B and investment is given, and if you are asked to find out the value of y, use the equation y is equal to C plus I, because we can directly apply the values, where C is equal to C bar plus by. What is C bar here? It is 100. What is B? 0.8 y plus 50, that is I. So you will get y is equal to 100 plus 0.8 y plus 50, which can be written as y is equal to 0.8. These two can be added. So it becomes 150. So y means 1y. 1y minus 0.8y is equal to 150. So you know 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2. 0.2y is equal to 150. Therefore y is equal to 150. When this 0.2 into y comes to the side, it becomes division 0.2. So 150 by 0.2 will give you the answer as 750. So the answer is 750 crores. Hope it is clear to you. Thank you.